In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tasks in Wrike. Managing tasks efficiently is key when you're using project management tools like Wrike, and knowing how to reorganize your tasks can drastically improve your workflow. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, navigate to the search bar. Simply type in Wrike and hit enter. This will take you to the main Wrike page, where you can either log in or give the platform a try if you haven't already signed up. After logging into your Wrike account, the next step is to navigate to the view that displays your tasks. This could be within a specific project, a folder, or even a dashboard widget, depending on where you have your tasks organized. You can find these in the sidebar of your Wrike workspace. It's designed to give you quick access to various segments of your projects, making it a lot easier to locate the tasks you want to manage. Now focus on finding the specific task you want to move. Identifying the correct task is important, especially when you have numerous tasks lined up. It'll save you from accidentally moving the wrong one. Once you've found it, look to the left of the task's name, and you should see a row number. This is what you'll click on and hold down to initiate the move. With the mouse button still held down, it's time to drag the task to its new location. You have several options here. You can move it to a new folder, place it in a different project, or rearrange it within the current task list. While you're dragging, you'll notice a blue line appearing, which indicates exactly where the task will be positioned once it's dropped. This visual cue is incredibly useful, as it shows you the potential new placement before you commit to it. Finally, once you've moved the task to your desired location, simply release the mouse button to drop it into position. If you drop it onto another task, instead of just moving it, it will convert into a subtask of that particular task. This flexibility allows for detailed task hierarchy and clearer project structures. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to move tasks around in Wrike. By following these steps, you can keep your projects organized just the way you like. This technique will save you time and help maintain an efficient working environment. So, take a moment and try it out yourself to see how it can enhance your project management experience.